What's your name?
I'm Mike. This is my husband.
Mike.
I'm Mary Ellen. This is my husband, Mike.
Okay. Now they're husband and wife, so they can swap names if they want to.
Yeah,
It's
we're
all
known
good.
as M&M.
Like
Eminent. I love it. So tell us about your sweet Jeep. What year is it?
Okay, it's a 1966 CJ5.
66 CJ5.
Right, and we put a 76 fiberglass body on it that we've had a chance to do all kinds of fabrication to.
Uh-huh. What's your name?
I'm Mike. This is my husband.
Mike.
I'm Mary Ellen. This is my husband, Mike.
Okay. Now they're husband and wife, so they can swap names if they want to.
Yeah,
It's
we're
all
known
good.
as M&M.
Like
Eminent.
Ken, we're
I
Ken,
love
yeah.
it. So tell us about your sweet Jeep. What year is it?
Okay, it's a 1966 CJ5.
66 CJ5.
Right, and we put a 76 fiberglass body on it that we've had a chance to do all kinds of fabrication to.
Uh-huh.
So it's one chain drive clutch.
So you have
disc.
one chain drive. What year is it, did you say?
It's 1966.
66.
But it's got a 76 body on it.
Okay, 76 bodies.
The reason is
Gorgeous.
because of the wipers.
Okay, so what's up with the wipers?
Okay, 76, the wipers are like normal from the bottom up, so you get the arch high.
Okay.
With the old 65 and 66, the Jeep wipers came down,
Came
so the
down.
arch, so I'd have to squinch down in order to be able to see out of the full arch. So I wanted to put these kind of wipers on, but with the 65 and 66 bodies, you couldn't. The windshield is wider,
Right.
so that's why I had to put a 76 body on it.
Sweet. So what'd you do with the other one? Sell it?
No. The other one was rusted.
Oh, was it all
and tore
rusted
up.
out?
The frame is all the frame is still here.
So what kind of motor did you put in there?
I'll show you if you'd like to look.
I'd love to look.
This is a one piece.
Look, it's a one piece, and he opens it from down here. Danielle, this is awesome. I gotta call my goddaughter because like she's a total Jeeper too. This is amazing. Look at that. You actually have a carburetor or something in there someplace. And what's the so it's 6?
Yes.
Danielle, this is outstanding. So he put a 76 body on it,
On a 66 frame.
on a 66 frame.
Only because I wanted the wipers
At the
working
top.
like a normal wiper.
We didn't want them at the top. We want them at the bottom.
And he put his
Mounted our jack up front here.
sweet. And look at the little fan, Solito.
That's when you're idling, you know. I mean,
Get you
Just
hot.
just to cool it
in
down.
Ocean City, when we went on the beach, you know, it was a long line of Jeeps, so you're sitting on the beach for an hour waiting to move.
Yeah.
So it can overheat. So in order to alleviate that, I just put that extra little fan on there to help keep.
So you can flip a switch for it?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Oh, sweet. That is so, and look, really?
You can see where I cut. You can see how the cuts are. I made cuts in this. I have a lot of cuts on this Jeep to make it fit.
Wow.
So because this was actually wide, narrower than the 76 body. This is out for a 65, so I had to stretch it out.
So you had a lot of work to do.
Yeah. So I used pieces of old fiberglass pool. it's laid in
Oh
here.
my gosh, that is so ingenious.
Yeah. So that's all.
I-
At the pool.
Yeah, so what happened to the pool?
Jeep works. And this is our pool.
This is amazing. I absolutely love it. And look, you got the plaits so you can zip them up, so you can keep the rain out if you want. So this is, for those of you who are not Jeepers, that's a real window. A plastic window is the best thing ever. You don't have to worry about rolling it down, just zip it closed, and you can still see out. That is awesome. You got your little thing back here. So over here, who's partying over here?
It's virtually people say you can't do.
What's that?
We put a tilt steering wheel in here. We had the regular stock steering wheel.
They got a, oh no, I'm just videoing. So you got a,
Yeah, I'll show you what I did on the engine side.
Uh-huh.
They only have a straight shaft steering wheel.
Okay.
Straight column comes up. But I went ahead and changed it right over here. I'll show you.
okay.
It used to come straight down into this is the
Okay.
steering box. Here, the
Yeah,
old
see a
school-
steering box.
And see, I put a knuckle on it there so that I could make it fit. And I cut it and made it fit onto that.
So you had all the tools to do all this stuff.
Yeah. We just rolled it down.
Really?
Yeah, we do a lot of Volkswagen.
We didn't want to tear it to the dash.
So when am I moving in? I'll be hanging out with you guys, learning all kinds of cool stuff. I love it.
And you can see where I moved the seat back here.
Yeah.
I have to cut in here to mount this thing because gas tank is under the seat. But if you see the seat is a little further back,
Yeah.
so I had to cut the fiberglass out You can, here's
yeah.
see the little section I added.
Yep, yep.
So you can move the seat back. But that it didn't come like
He's a
that.
genius.
And also the other day, this is what we worked on the other day. We added this little piece right here.
What happened?
This piece right here, this is off of a pool. We added this little piece
Okay.
here so that fiberglass flexes and moves a lot, right?
Right.
So when you shut this thing, now it lines up really smooth with that. I'll show you.
Okay.
Also, we patched a hole.
Yes, at the top.
You had a hole you had to
Yeah,
patch?
what
was that?
Just right here, there was right there was a hole right up there that I had it cracked the
Honey, you're
fiberglass.
saying we're
I'll show you how
video.
this thing lines up really nicely now.
It's light too, huh?
Yeah, sort of.
So it scrapes your tire a little bit going down. Is that all right?
Yeah, I haven't cut that. But see how this is lined up now?
Okay.
So it's a straighter. Much
Wow,
straighter.
you did a lot of work. So did you do your own paint job as well?
Everything on the driveway.
On the drive. So
Never seen